How's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter, or things you probably don't care about just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Sid Meier Civilization VI right now. Plus, I'll share a few key points about each one, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for all the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research document completely free and read through it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Here are the top 3 VPN services for Sid Meier Civilization VI and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Sid Meier Civilization VI. Why? First off, it works seamlessly with the game. That's super important, especially to avoid any disconnections during your matches. Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, 0 packet loss, plus solid download and upload speeds. That keeps your turns smooth without any annoying delays. Features? It's got the most features of any VPN out there. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support? It's pretty cheap for what it offers, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives? Only a 10-device limit. Second best is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, crazy fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just a smooth, stress-free gaming experience for your multiplayer matches. Features? It has everything a gamer needs, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only Sid Meier Civilization VI through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best value for money VPNs out there, often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful too. Do they keep logs? No. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? Best encryption tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, so privacy nerds might get nervous. But hey, their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want pure gaming performance and great value. Third place goes to Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed? Very good. Having so many servers means you can always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby, which is awesome to avoid lag in multiplayer matches. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option. Support is pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? No, no logs. Their no low logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best pick if you're on a budget but want a huge server network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Sid Meier Civilization VI, NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on colors or logos, you'll be fine because they all just work perfectly with Sid Meier Civilization VI. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Sid Meier Civilization VI, a premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best price available. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and drop a comment letting me know which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.